I'm Kevin O'Connor, author, presenter,
And the Emmy goes to...
and for the last decade, host of one of the most influential home improvement brands in television history.
Welcome back to a brand new season of This Old House.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
All right, so we got another project that we're starting, always an exciting day.
Welcome back to Ask This Old House.
We are getting a lot of emails and letters from people who are looking for a little bit more storage.
We're going coast to coast to show you the latest, the greatest,
and coolest stuff for your house. And this
is this new house.
Every home in America can reveal amazing stories. You'll find more of history's greatest innovations hidden deep in your home.
Kevin O'Connor is the host of This Old House and a contributor to This Old House magazine. Kevin, good morning to you. Nice
Good
to see
morning.
you.
And it turns out that you get a bigger bang for your buck for redoing the kitchen and a bathroom, a family room, or any of those other projects.
Everyone's going to sit there and try to cut the patch to match the hole.
Uh-huh.
The trick is cut it so that it's a perfect size of the patch. Then we're talking tape and compound, sand it down.
This year, one of America's most revered home renovation shows, This Old House, spent time at the Jersey Shore helping several families get their homes back. Kevin, thanks for being with us this morning. And what was it like to go back?
When we went down there and I saw it in person, I was shocked.
Please welcome the host of the show, Kevin O'Connor.
We brought the tools to you.
Let's do it.
These are all projects we're doing. Up to 4,000 PSI coming out of this thing,
How
right?
come yours is cooler than mine?
That's the way it works.
Ridiculous.
I'll give you a hand.
All right, great.
Driving a house.
Don't pull that trigger. That's a bad thing. So you're controlling the building right now.
Nice! That was awesome. This is one of the most talked about homes in America.
Up here, they still cut ice the old-fashioned way.
It's good to be in Little Rock. We've met some really nice people so far. We've got a seminar open to the public. We are going to do a live What Is It right here in Times Square.
But today, I came down to find out what it feels like to stand in the middle of a hurricane. You guys are going to change the world. Itty-bitty, teeny-weeny, tiny house.